Kaedes Nex served as Moritat Prime of the Raven Guard Legion during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Regarded as an ill omen among his peers, Kaedes would show an innate obsession with the macabre and grow restless when not hunting the foes of the 19th Legion. Hailing from Deliverance, Kaedes in his youth would be known as Blood Crow for his murders resulting in his imprisonment by the Raven Lord. Offered a pardon should he undergo the procedures to become a Space Marine and join Corvus Corax, Nex would, despite surviving the trials of an Astartes, not be absolved by his kin. With time and perseverance, Kaedes would ascend through the ranks of the Raven Guard and earn the respect of his peers. A grim shade in battle, Kaedes' past murder sprees would bolster his training and transform the Blood Crow into an exceptionally deadly warrior. Leading the Moritats of the Legion, these Astartes marked by the Ash Blindness or Sable Blindness to the Sons of Deliverance would forsake any vestige of self-preservation. Leaping into the most hazardous of battles with no fort to survive, the Moritats under the leadership of Kaedes would prove to be exceptionally deadly shock troopers. His example leading to legions such as the Blood Angels and Ultramarines to incorporate their own Moritat regiments into the fold. The dual pistol-wielding Astartes would crash into the fray with the aid of jump packs before unleashing barrages of Volkite and plasma fire. Joining his kin during the Loyalist counterattack of the Battle of Istvan V, Kaedes would be separated from his Primarch during the onslaught of the traitors. Wading through the battlefield, Kaedes Nex would never be seen again, nor his deeds be recorded. His last act made for his Legion and Primarch to face the betrayers of the Horus Heresy on his own terms. All that can be ascertained is that his wrath would incur many traitor casualties.